Hi everyone, Tim Hildy and Mike Hildy with Ambush Outdoor Products. Welcome to another Feature Friday.
Unfortunately, the season is coming close to an end. It's about 40 degrees today. We're looking forward to spring, but we're not quite ready to give up the ice season quite yet. So we're going out fishing soon. Anyway, today we wanted to bring to your attention some of the discounted items that we have on our website. So all accessories, you can get the promo code ICE20 and get yourself 20% off any accessories. These items are great for the ambush houses, but also any skid house or wheelhouse. So we're gonna take you through just a few of the items that are for sale and then some heavily discounted items. So Tim, what do we got going on over here?
All right, so one of the items that we have on sale, one of our accessories is our tow shackle. You hook it up to your skid house. It has a loop here that you can hook up to your winch to and pull your unit on without having to use the entire hitch. We also have our cup holders that mount right to the PVC on the wall. They hold different size cups, including the Yeti cups. Also, we have these carbon monoxide alarms available, and our brand new tow bar holder that mounts on the side. It includes all the hardware you need and also installation instructions. Also, all the Rapala gear, such as this 5-rod holder that we usually mount to the door, but you can put it wherever you want for your rods. Also, the famous Rapala rattle reel available, and our own brand new Ambush 3-rod holder, which is great. They hold your rods, your expensive rods in there, very gentle. There's neoprene under here. Also, all our apparel is available. We've got hoodies in 3 different colors and multiple sizes, as well as our hats. We have multiple ambush hats and styles and colors. Also on the catch cover side, we have the typical catch cover and the lids. And by the way, these lid brackets are super handy. You can just mount this to your wall. When you put the cover in there, normally you have to throw them outside or put them underneath somewhere, but this is a great way to get them up and out of the way, and it's a great place for storing your jigs and your needle nose pliers, scissors, and so forth.
Love that.
Also, these safety covers are on sale, and these are great. You put it over the hole, and if you happen to drop your cell phone or whatever, it seems like they want to skid right to the hole.
That's where they go.
And so anyways, this goes on top and covers the hole to prevent that. Now, you have a lot more experience with these than I do, but what do we got going here?
Yeah, so the hole sleeves are great. I personally really like the glow-in-the-dark ones, which these ones are. So when you drop this in your hole, it just helps from draft coming through and then freezing up your hole. And then also it's just nice because it illuminates a little bit so you can see where your hole is at night. So when you get that rattle reel in the middle of the night, you know where that's at and you're ready to go. Also, we have our tow bar extensions. So first, this one's the 1.25 inch for those ATVs that don't have a 2-inch receiver. That's where this one comes in handy. They're especially nice when you have tracks. It gets your pivot point back behind the track, so that way you get maximum turning radius. And then for the UTVs, we have the 2-inch version, 36-inch. And then of course we have our swivel hitch. So this, you pull the 2 pins and then it swivels like a Z, so that way when you're hooking up your skid house with a side-by-side with tracks, it just makes it a breeze when you're doing it by yourself. So ICE20 is gonna be the promo code for all these items. Plus more on the website, but we have 5 items that are heavily discounted to clear out some inventory. So what do we got going on over here, Tim?
Okay, so inventory reduction, we've got jackknife couches. These are normally $800. We're letting them go for $495. Pick up here in Detroit Lakes. They're very comfortable. They fold out into a comfortable bed. It also has an armrest with cup holders in it. So $495 on jackknife couches. Also, we have our 48-inch shelves. These are steel powder coated, and it comes with mounting instructions as well. It's normally $160. We're letting these go for $59.
In addition to that, we have the mystery heater, the blue flame heater. This is the 10,000 BTU heater. These are typically $395. These are discounted to $159. You're gonna get the necessary mounting hardware. You're gonna get the carbon monoxide alarm, and then everything needed to operate this. In addition to that, we do have the 5-foot propane hose and regulator assembly. This is a very nice thing to have as a backup because a regulator is a pretty inexpensive component, but it can really ruin your day out on the ice when they're frozen up. So having a backup is a great idea. This whole hose kit assembly is usually $47. We have it on sale for 22 bucks. Lastly, we have our 20-watt solar kit. So you're gonna get the 20-watt solar panel and the necessary mounting hardware for that, and then the Renogy charge controller. The kit is usually $325, and we have it discounted for $169.
Also, we include the installation instructions as well.
Yep.
So check us out, ambushiicefishing.com. All accessories 20%, promo code ICE20, and then the discounted features as well.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. That's been another Feature Friday. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day, and all the best on the hard water.